Hey guys, glad to see you. And we're gonna do a short walkthrough and to tell you how it works. So let's go.
First of all, you need to go to your browser and type sandstorm.ai and visit the website. On a website, at the navbar, you click on sign in and you will redirect to sign up page. If you are new user on our site, you can okay. Now on your system, okay, now on your browser, just type sandstorm date. Okay, now on your browser, type sandstorm.ai and go to our website. on a sand, on a browser, type sandstorm.ai and you will redirect to our website. On a navbar, click on sign in and you will redirect to sign in page. If you are a new user, so you need to first sign up. For sign up, you can use your Google account or just type your email. So right now I'm going to create a new account. I type my name, my email, uh, sorry, Farooq dot for devs.ai. Type any password here. So I'm using this button. Uh, Now you get a email verification. Just go to your Google account and you will get email from Sandstorm. Email from sandstorm.ai. Verify your email address. Sandstorm for dev.ai, and here you see a screen pop up for add a credits. Pop-ups and you can add your credits. Just click add credits and you can add credits uh, on your on demand. Yeah, you can type a custom amount, so just pay 100 and you will redirect it to Stripe account. Right now I have already my own account, so I will give you a tour. For using sandstorm.ai, you need a number. So click on a requested number, select your region, uh, and just submit a request. After submitting a request, admin will provide you dedicated phone number. Admin provide me a dedicated phone number. Here is my new phone number, and this is no reception.ai users dashboard. I will go through how to set up reception, your first agent, and then I will go through our campaign agents. For setup, your first reception, you just need to go on setup reception page. This type of interface will pop up. Click on edit reception. I have already made one. Here you can add any, you can type your reception label, your bot first message and bot prompt. You can also integrate your you can also integrate your uh, you can also you can also integrate your Google Calendar to get notification or appointments or bookings. I've already done this. So on the right side, there is a agent voices. You can select any voice that you need for your bot. Here is and my bot agent receive many calls. Here you see a transcript. You can check all the transcript. Here is a calendar. All the appointments and bookings will show here. On 23rd July, I have made one appointment for table reservation. You can also view the you can also listen the bot and user calls. If you type, just click on it.
Welcome to No a Restaurant. How may I assist you with your request today?
Now let's go to our campaign agents. I have already done this for you. Here you see my agent name, agent language, and base knowledge prompt. Just click save changes and go to your campaign agent. Here you can set up your first campaign. I am adding campaign name like March follow up. Sorry. Then your description. This you can type on your behalf. You can schedule your calls, your campaign. So right now, you on 27 July and campaign when your campaign should be ended. So I just type this. You can assign on which days your campaign should be hit, your time. You on a contact page you can add your contact manually or just upload your CSV file from here. So I just add a campaign and add my phone number. You can also set up your calls per minute or maximum call duration, and here campaign agent you can select. So I on a campaign agent page I just selected make my campaign agent. So I select sales, then and save your schedule. Here campaign agent follow up show. You can on a voice cloning page you can also clone your own voice and add as a voice agent. In a team page you can also invite your team members. Then we go to our profile setting page. Here you can add your image, your name, and just you can also enable two-factor authorization for secure your application. If you have any question, so you can just mail. If you have any question related to any if you have any question, then you can mail us as if you have any question, just mail. If you have if you have any question, just mail us at hello.sandstorm.ai. Thank you for watching this video.